How to remove a server on Plex. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete a server on Plex. Now the process itself is pretty similar. Now you'll have to do it through your browser, either on your phone or your web on your PC. Now you won't be able to do so on the application on mobile. So I'll show you quickly how you can access it. First, you want to head over to your browser and you want to head into plex.wave. Once you're on plex.wave, you want to head into Plex Wave and you want to log into your account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to tap on the hamburger icon that you'll find at the top right. Once you tap on it here, what you want to do is here you can see account settings option. You want to tap on it. Now, once under account settings, what you want to do is here now you can see various options, and on the left hand side if you scroll down you can see you'll get the option to remove server. Now unfortunately I don't have Plex Pass and so it's not connecting up, or it is the issue within the server, I don't know, but you can tap on remove server here if you are not having any issues, and it will show up here and you can choose a server that you wish to delete and you can remove it. In my case it's not loading up, but that's how you can do it. So this is the way that you can remove a server on Plex. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.